For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, and you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Prajwal D'Souza. Asteroids, they're indeed fascinating. For years, asteroids and their movements are being closely studied by astrophysicists around the world. Just a few days after a car-sized asteroid went past the Earth, scientists from NASA have said that an asteroid twice the size of the Great Pyramid of Giza is said to hit the Earth's orbit on 6th September. According to the scientists from NASA, the asteroid called the Near-Earth Object will be entering the Earth's orbit. The asteroid named 2020 QG is reportedly traveling at a speed of 31,400 miles per hour. The scientists have reportedly been tracking it since 2010. But will it pose a threat to the Earth? Will it enter the Earth's atmosphere? To get to the bottom of this, I am joined by Dr. M.Y. Anand, who is a senior scientific officer at the Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium in Bengaluru. Now, Doctor, what exactly is an asteroid and how are they different from meteors?
Asteroids are rocky objects. Basically, these are the objects that are found orbiting the Sun between Mars and Jupiter. There is a huge area, huge space where actually these millions of asteroids are going around the Sun. So the size of these asteroids varies from few meters to few kilometers. So some of these asteroids can come out of their orbit, and maybe depending upon the initial velocity, direction and so on, they may also approach the Earth.
Doctor, do asteroids become dangerous? If yes, when?
Of course, asteroids, if they are going around the Sun in their own orbit, that is between Mars and Jupiter, we don't have any problem. We are fine. We will be very happy to look at them and observe and understand them. But if they come towards the Earth, it is dangerous because there is a probability that it may hit the Earth.
Will the asteroid named 465824 2010 have an impact on Earth?
The asteroid, which will be coming in few days, it will not have an impact with Earth because it will fly by the Earth about 74 lakhs kilometers away from the Earth. So it is quite very far away. It will go very far away from the Earth.
Is the asteroid really as big as the Pyramid of Giza?
The relative speed with which this asteroid travels varies very much. It may have a velocity of about 2 kilometers per second, and it may have an relative velocity about 44 kilometers per second. So it varies. It depends upon the initial velocity and other factors.
What is the speed in which the asteroid travels?
So asteroid is quite big. This asteroid, that is 2010 FR, is quite big. It is, the diameter of the asteroid is about 170 meters in diameter, but it is quite difficult to exactly compare the size of the Giza pyramid and the size of this object, size of this asteroid, because asteroid is an irregular object. So roughly its diameter is 170 meters or 550 feet.
You must be wondering, how are these asteroids tracked? What is the tech used to track these asteroids? NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations Program is tasked with finding, tracking and characterizing NEOs and identifying those that may pose a hazard to Earth. Ground-based telescopes and NASA's NEOWISE spacecraft are the current means of finding NEOs. Now, this is not the first time an asteroid went past the Earth's orbit. There have been several instances where asteroids have passed closer to the Earth's orbit. The most recent discovery was made on 18th August when an asteroid the size of an SUV passed 1,830 miles above the Earth the closest asteroid ever observed passing our planet. Now, if you like this video, click on the like button, comment down below, share this video and subscribe to News9 on all the social media platforms. Thank you for watching.